All right, welcome to day 19. We're moving along. Day 19. Damn. Huh? Yeah, as my Amazons arrive. So we got the contractor here. And we got some plywood. Yesterday they did the siding here. We got to knock out that window, raise it up. Knock out that window, raise it up. They brought in here's some things that I ordered from Amazon. My lights. I got to pick up all this brick and take it out back and save it so I can eventually one day make a barbecue pit outside. So all this stuff is going to be saved. That's got to be torn out. That wall's replaced. So nothing in here. I think we're done in here for now. And I think we're done. I think we're done on this side of the house for now. The rest is up to him. He's going to be doing all that. So I do have to get up in the attic and spray some termite spray, which I have some termite spray. So where all the raw wood is and everything, I'll heavily spray that. So, but here in the laundry room, I got to sand and scrape the walls here. And then here, sand and scrape here in the closet so that they can come and they can do the compounding. So outside of that, that's pretty much it for today. And then put away the brick. So we'll see. For right now, I'm going to get up in the attic. I don't think I'll take the phone up with the attic, but that's one of the first things I want to do is spray the attic before I do anything. So day 19. Here we go. Beginning one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. All right. All right, little update. All the sanding is done. All the sanding is done in here. I gotta hurry up for the video. Okay, we'll go around the front. And as you see, the walls are now gone. Yeah, everything's opening up. So the chimney's gone, or rocks. So it's time for me to move the rocks and brick out here. So that's the enjoyment. That's where we're at next. day 19 coming to a close. All the sanding and everything is done inside the room. Saw the closet, inside the laundry room. We're all done with the sanding. Next thing, probably just cleaning up the garage. I took care of all those boards that were right here. Start making some room because I got to tear all this stuff off the walls. We're probably going to start on the garage first, compound it, paint it, stain it, all that other stuff, and primer it and stain it, paint it, whatever. So once the garage is done, then we can start using this as the storage for everything that we need. So there's questions going on with the water heater. Don't know, we'll work it out. Contractor did a great job tearing up. Oh, we got a lot of trash. All right, let's go back inside. So, let me go back this side. So, I put all the rocks and stones. Look at these stones. Look at that. I'll give you one guess where those came from. Let's go around front and find out. So, we removed the wall. So that's going to be closed off and opened up. We've got a light switch, probably going to go over to that wall there. Electrical out is going to come over here. Now, the question is what we're going to do with this thing right here. That's going to go away. So, this is nice and open. I got to figure out my door situation. That's got that budget and a half for that damn thing. And look at what we have here. We don't have a fireplace. Yeah. For all those of you who said keep the fireplace, look what we found underneath the fireplace. So, with the gut feeling of taking it out, I'm glad I did. Because it looks nasty. So, we're finishing up. They're going to rip this whole thing out tonight. They're going to rip it out, cut it up, rip it out. We're going to leave the stack up in the scene and make believe fireplace. And then this is the countertop. This is going to be the counter. Cabinet's going to go here. Cabinet's going to go on this side, up top. And this is going to be open. There's going to be a bar right here. This is going to be open. I'll have the lights, whatever, come down here. Pocket lights up above. So I got to figure all that shit out with the lights. Where I'm going to put them. So, day 19 is what it is. We're moving forward, making it happen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the comments and suggestions and all the other verbal things that people tell me and told me not to do and do and all this and stuff. So, like, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Just have fun doing it.